Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you Maryland Performance's 2011 to 14 Powerstroke Turbo Retrofit Kit. One of the most failure-prone stock turbos that we saw in the field was in the 2011 to 2014 Ford Powerstroke pickups. The turbo, while in theory was really promised to be a great turbo, it was very, very quick to light, very, very quick spooling, nice drivability in the Charger. It was really plagued with failures. In 2015, Powerstroke got an updated turbo, got away from a lot of those failures. So the 2015 to 2019 turbos became the most desirable turbos to put on the 11 to 14 trucks. However, to do that, you had to have a pretty serious retrofit kit to be able to get that done. You needed a retrofit kit that would change out the exhaust manifolds, you changed out the downpipe. Those two things alone were the hardest things to remove from the truck, and it just made doing the retrofit to the Charger really made guys second guess it and just put another junky 11 to 14 Charger on the truck. But that's really not what you need to do. You need to convert to the 2015 to 2019 Powerstroke Chargers. Now that I've said all that, let me introduce you to just a really, really nice kit that Maryland Performance has come up with to get you another offering for a retrofit kit out into the marketplace. And they've done a hell of a job with this kit. They really, really have. So I'm going to show you this kit, just give you the overview of what this fits. So this fits on the 11 to 14 trucks again, and it allows you to run the 2015 to 2019 style Powerstroke Charger. This kit will also work with the 2011 to 2016 cab and chassis trucks to be able to get you to the updated Charger on that truck as well. But mainly focusing on the 11 to 14 trucks, getting you into the 15 to 2019 Charger. Now, this retrofit kit, the reason that Maryland came up with this design was we wanted to keep you from, or they wanted to keep you from being able to keep you from having to remove the exhaust manifolds and that damn downpipe on the Powerstroke. So they did a design to where you can keep those systems in place and just drop this in and drop in your Charger and you're good to go. So let's talk about what comes in the kit. Let's show you what comes in Maryland Performance's retrofit kit. Let's start off with this base. This gets you to the base oiling system for the 2015 and up style turbos. So this gets you away from the oil feed line that the 11 to 14s get. So this pedestal actually gets you the oil feed for the 2015 and plus turbochargers. Comes with Maryland's up pipes. Now these up pipes work with the 2011 to 2014 manifolds. Again, you don't have to remove them from the truck. I keep harping on that because it's a big thing. These will work with the 2015 and up Chargers. This is really, really good welding on this. Very sturdy. This is a 120 walled 304 stainless steel up pipe. Machine flanges on there, just really, really nice pieces. Okay, you're getting a new pedestal gasket for your truck. You're getting a new, this is a Maryland machined turbo intake piece, and then you have the downpipe adapter. The downpipe adapter will allow you on the new style Chargers to hook up to the old style 11 to 14 downpipe, keeping you from having to remove that, which is a huge plus to this kit too. That's a fully machined piece, really, really nice. Upper intake manifold plug that plugs off the port for the old style manifold. You get some hardware that you're needing with the kit. You also get a coolant. You also get a coolant port on this. So this is going to convert this to an A&N style fitting. There is a hose that comes with this that directs the cooling fitting back for you as well. Then some other hardware that comes with the kit, and then you're going to get a new hot side intercooler pipe inside the kit. So all of this to retrofit to make the new style Chargers work with the 11 to 14 Powerstrokes. This is a really, really nice kit. It is very, very affordable, makes doing the conversion on your truck very, very nice. Now, with this kit, when you go to the new style Chargers, you will have to have custom tuning for that, but that's not as big of a deal. We can help you with all that. So we're really, really excited about offering this kit. big thank you to the guys for Maryland Diesel for just doing the engineering that it took to be able to get this kit to market. They got this done in a fairly short amount of time, and they've really done an awesome job on this. So you guys are looking to convert to the new style Charger on the 11 to 14 Powerstrokes, I really suggest that you consider using the Maryland Performance Kit in your truck. So if you have a question about this kit or any other Maryland products, please give us a call. We'll link you in this screen, hopefully, to where you can purchase this kit. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.